Married to the Idea. Exploring commitment in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, married to the idea. This expression is a fantastic example of how English uses metaphors to convey complex concepts in just a few words. Stick around as we break down its meaning, usage, and origins, making it easy for English language learners to understand and use this phrase confidently in conversations. When someone says they are married to the idea, they're not talking about a wedding or literal marriage. Instead, this phrase metaphorically expresses a strong or unwavering commitment to an idea, concept, or plan. It suggests that the person is so attached to their idea that they are as committed to it as one would be to a spouse in marriage. This commitment is characterized by dedication and an unwillingness to consider alternative options or change their mind easily. Understanding how to use married to the idea in conversation or writing is crucial for English language learners. Let's look at some examples. In decision-making, he's so married to the idea of starting his own business that he won't even consider working for someone else. In debates, we tried to suggest a more practical approach, but she was married to the idea of doing it her way, regardless of the risks. In creative projects, the director was married to the idea of filming in black and white, believing it would better convey the story's mood. These examples show that being married to the idea can be used in various contexts, from personal ambitions to creative decisions, indicating a deep commitment to a chosen path. The phrase, married to the idea, leverages the concept of marriage to illustrate a deep bond, but where did this usage originate? While the exact origin is difficult to pinpoint, it's clear that the metaphorical use of marriage to signify commitment and dedication has been a part of English for a long time. The idea of being so closely connected to a concept that it resembles the bond of marriage helps speakers convey the intensity of their commitment in a relatable way. For English language learners, here are some tips on using married to the idea effectively. Context is key. Use this phrase when you want to emphasize a strong commitment to a concept or plan. Be mindful of tone. This expression can sometimes imply stubbornness or a closed mind. Use it carefully, depending on the message you want to convey. Practice with variations. Try using similar expressions like committed to the idea or dedicated to the concept to broaden your language skills. We hope this exploration of married to the idea has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your understanding of English metaphors and expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying thoughts, emotions, and concepts in meaningful ways. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.